Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with the haul, and today I'll be showing the luxury skincare what I've got. So most of them are from BodyShop and one or two from the other brand. So I have a BodyShop membership card in India, and you might have already seen my BodyShop haul. I'm like crazy fan of BodyShop products, and here they had really good offers and it's really nice. I mean, I don't think India has those kind of offers what we get here, but when I visited that BodyShop store here in Germany, I really liked it. So I thought I'll pick few products which were very affordable, compared to the Indian cost, and they were good products, so I thought I'll take some. So let's just start it. I'll pick random things. So they had like buy two get one free. So I've got this body lotion from the Body Shop Fuji green tea, and I have a body butter from I already have a body lotion of this and I really love that. So I thought I'll pick this one, and then I have another one which is a Shea Nourishing Whipped Lotion. So this is the second one. And the third one I got is this Wild Argan Oil body lotion. I have Wild Argan Oil body butter. I've almost finished it, so I thought I'll pick this one, and it's really nice. And you have a stopper here, so it's really convenient, if you are traveling. So it's a stopper, so you don't have to be worried when you're traveling. So I thought, I'll pick these ones. These are the three body butters I've picked. I really like the fragrance of the Fuji green tea and then the argan oil. Hand creams, they have this big hand cream. So normally the hand creams come in this size, which is 30 ml, and these are like 100 ml. That offers in this as well. So I've picked their moringa hand cream, and also I've picked their British Rose hand cream. I've got this for free, which is the Shea hand cream. It's very cold here, and my hands are getting dried up very soon, so almost finished one Body Shop hand cream, Innisfree hand cream. So I wanted a new hand cream, so I thought I'll pick these, and by the time I reach India I might finish one of them. Tiny hand creams. The first one is this Fuji green tea. I don't have a green tea hand cream. And then this Shea one, and also I've picked this almond milk and honey hand cream. This is a new launch in India as well. It offers like buy two get one. And then I've picked up their Japanese Camellia Velvet body cream. You might have already seen, I love my spa range of the Body Shop collection, and I don't have a Camellia, I have Kukui cream, but this smells really nice. This is a tiny one which you can use it for travel, and this is really good when it is like very dry skin. It's really nice. And the second one I have is rich nurturing body cream from Hawaiian Kukui cream, and I've already have this Kukui cream I've been using now. I really love this one. It's so nice and thick creamy consistency. Few things for my sister. I've got this tea tree night lotion. She already emptied one, and I think online I didn't find this when I was in India for her. I thought I'll get this one, so I've got this one. And I also got this Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. This is suitable for blemished skin. So this is for my sister as well. This comes in this huge bottle. It's like, I think, 50 ml bottle. This is a daily solution for blemished skin, and she has a blemished skin and she has acne. Dropper here. This is actually, when I compared the cost of 30 ml and this, I didn't find much difference. So I thought, this is really nice because this is a huge bottle of 50 ml and she can use it. Picked up this Atlas Mountain Rose body butter. This how it is, and it's really smell like roses. And the next one I've picked up is Japanese Cherry Blossom body butter, and this is the body cream. So I have this body shower gel I've been using. I'm not using any of these because from the time you open it, the shelf life is like, I think, 12 months. Yeah, from the time you open this and start using it, it's 12 months. So I normally save these for winters. Next one I've got is this Body Shop's Moringa body butter. This is a huge tub of body butter. I've always admired online, other Body Shop websites from other countries like US, Australia, or UK. They have this huge jumbo body butters which are really worth it for the price, because you get these, and I think it's just little couple of euros, and you get this big one. And it's, you can see the difference, it's so big. And I think they only had moringa one, so I really liked it and I picked it up. So you don't get jumbo body butters in India. I've never seen that. I wish they should have actually. So this is the moringa body butter. I've got couple of gifts. So I've got this set free. So I've got 3 sets free of the same. So 1, 2, and then I've got this. And then I've got this third set. So all these are same. You can actually pick different ones, but they didn't have shea butter in stock, so I picked the green tea one because I love the Fuji green tea. So you get a body scrub, you get a body butter, and then you have a shower gel, which is a pack of 3. Let me open one and show it to you. It's actually 8 euros or something, and I've got it for free, 3. So it's really worth it, I guess so. So this is the body butter and the shower gel. So you get this shower gel, and then this is the Fuji green tea body scrub. I've emptied out the full size body scrub if you've seen my empties video. So this is the one, and the lady out there was so nice, who was working in BodyShop, and she actually gave me a few samples which I wanted to try. Body wash, it has 2-in-1 mask and scrub and night mask. And yeah, so you have this 3-in-1 mask, tea tree 3-in-1 mask. I'll give it to my sister because she has blemish skin. And then you have tea tree face wash. These are very nice, right? And then you have this tea tree night mask. So, and yeah, and she gave me this vanilla shower gel as well. In this I have this vanilla shower gel. So I have these 3 in all the other ones. This is the one she gave me. It smells so nice. This is the body butter, and she actually gave me 2 of these. I have one in my bag, and this is the second one. She scooped out a generous amount and then filled it up in this, and it's really nice. So I've got these 3 in different packs. Then I've got something from L'Oreal. This is the Hydra Genius Aloe Water, and this is really nice. I've used the tester. I've really liked it. This is just like a extra moisturizer to your skin, like aloe water which has aloe in it, and then it also has hyaluronic acid. It also has hyaluronic acid. It's really good for skin. So I am excited to try this one. Just for makeup remover, they were some couple of pennies, so I've got these. But this Estee Lauder serum, this is so raved product, and so the product which many bloggers have been using, and I've always wanted to get one. It's so expensive in India. And this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and this is actually a big size of 75 ml. Normally you get it for 30 or 50 ml and 75, and I was lucky enough they had only one in stock in the store which had discount. Checked in Nykaa that I've got this 75 ml of the cost for 30 ml in India. So if you see Nykaa website, the 30 ml cost 6,500 or something, and I've got this big bottle of that cost. So I've got this big bottle of the cost of 30 ml what we get in India, and I've got 75 ml, and it really was I didn't want to miss. I know it's expensive, but I didn't want to miss the offer, and they had only one left out in the stock, and this is a huge one, and it lasts forever. I can use it for a long time because it's 75 ml. And yeah, this is the original Estee Lauder, and even if you buy online in India, I'm I'm not sure if you get the original one, but I think Nykaa does the only authentic ones. So it's not even glass, so I can carry it safe to India. So this is a 75 ml one which I've got. I'm so happy with this purchase. I know it's expensive, but still I'm happy because instead of spending I felt that instead of spending on 2 to 3 serums which I can buy in India, I thought I'll buy one serum. Even in BodyShop serums what I bought, it was 3,000 change or something. So I can get instead of 2 serums I can get one Estee Lauder, which is really worth it. So I'm so excited to try this purchase and try this one, and trust me, I really thought I'm lucky to get this one in an offer. Is this Douglas Out of Blue bath salt. I really like the packaging. You know, the main thing is the packaging. I really like the packaging. I don't have a bathtub or a shower bucket here, you know, otherwise I would really use it, but you know, it's so heavy. So yeah, this is the one. It was an offer. I think I got it for like €3. It was actually like €7 or €9, and I got it for €3. So I really like the packaging as well as it's really nice. Yeah, it smells nice. This few perfume samples, sample vials. This one is Burberry. This is Burberry Brit for Her vial, and the other one is Giorgio Armani. The Burberry one is so nice. It's so nice. I actually want to buy a perfume, but you know, it's so expensive out there. Yeah, so I've got a couple of vials. Purchased one of the Clinique's Super Defense SPF 20 Daily Defense Moisturizer. This is age prevention. So this is, I think, 15 ml one, which I've bought. So this is the daily moisturizer. They had an offer, so I picked up this one. But I've also picked up the Clinique Take the Day of Cleansing Balm and Lotion, liquid cleansing lotion, liquid cleanser, and I also got too many goodies for the membership card and also for the purchase I made, and also got really worth it goodies. And I've done a separate video for that. I'm not sure if it's already up. If it's already up, I'll link it somewhere here. If it's not up, you can actually, you know, check my channel and see, because I have got too many goodies in it, and also mixed up, you know, with Lush Cosmetics. So I made a separate video for that, so I'm not including that again here, but I have got this one separately initially when I came here. So that's it, guys, what I've got in this one. And also I have another video which I'll be making for the luxury makeup which I've got. And yeah, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you like any of the product and want me to review any of the certain products, just comment down below. I'll be happy and glad to do that. And thanks all for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.